Hi friend, I am Puffy Pups and this is my car Bubbles. Welcome to my channel. Why don't we make a diary today? Alright Bubbles, let's go! At first, we will take our pencil and start our doodle. You can try and make the doodle which we have made right here. You can use your pencil and complete drawing this. You can draw your own doodle or also you can sketch and draw what we are drawing here. Why don't we make curved lines and then slanting lines to make a cupcake wrapper? Let's try using as many curved and slanting lines in this as possible. It will make our drawing look attractive. You can also try making different doodles in each section. Something like this. You can use polka dots or zigzag lines, slanting lines or color it all together. Why don't we make this huge cloud before making the entire doodle? This is the space where you can write your name or even write my diary. Let's complete the entire cloud. And after that, why don't we give it a thin line inside? Once we are done with that, let's start with a doodle outside. You can make whichever doodle you like. You can make cute little monsters or different looking creatures or even animals. And if you wish to make stars and cupcakes, you're good to go. We will try making this cute little monster with attractive eyes. And now, why don't we make this wiggly monster? This looks fascinating, isn't it? Now, let's start making our stars. Stars are my favorite and hence, I'm going to make a lot of them. Now, let's make this cute little cupcake. You can also give it a beautiful design. And finally, why don't we make a band of rainbow? You can also try making more stars. Once we are done with that, we will start writing my diary inside. Or you can even write your name. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button. Stay tuned for our next video.